Satu hal yang sering membuat orang barat terkejut bila datang ke Malaysia ialah sikap orang-orangnya. Bagi mereka yang pertama kali datang, budaya ni benar-benar menggoncang emosi mereka. Ramai orang barat mengaku selepas beberapa minggu di Malaysia, mereka mula rasa berat hati untuk pulang. Bukan sebab Malaysia lebih kaya, tapi sebab suasana hidup yang lebih hidup. Bagi mereka, semua ni terasa seperti syurga kecil. Hidup tak lagi terasa kosong, ada interaksi, ada empati, ada perasaan dihargai sebagai manusia, bukan sekadar individu yang berlalu.
Since I moved to Malaysia, I have feeling that I was living in paradise all this time. Orang sini sangat baik. Food is amazing. Weather is beautiful. Because in Russia, hot weather available only on vacation season. Summer in Russia means really to celebrate the life. All other time, you have to struggle from the cold. And just look at my neighborhood, it's so beautiful. The roads are perfect. Driving, it's very easy here. Why do you love Malaysia? Tell me.
The guy just gave me his umbrella. It's raining here in Malaysia. I just asked him in the building, do you have an umbrella? Like, normally when you're like in a condo residence, they have umbrellas or a hotel at the front desk where to help other customers. Well, that place didn't. So I just asked the employee or the guard, hey man, is there umbrellas? He said no, but he ran away and got me his own umbrella from the back office. He's hiding it. I was like, man, no, I don't want to take your umbrella. He said, no, it's fine. I stay here till 7. You can bring it back. I was like, no, it's okay. I can go up and get my own umbrella. I have one at home, but I didn't know it was raining. By the time it wasn't raining, by the time I got down, it was raining hard. But this is how much I appreciate these kind of people. Nice people. They just want to help. Guys always help each other's, man. Always help each other's. Karma always comes back. The simplest things in life, it pays off. Be kind to each other's. It's a small thing, but I really, really appreciated that guy so much. And we should all be a kind human being like this security guard. God bless. What do you guys think?
Perkara-perkara baik macam ni, bagi kita orang tempatan mungkin biasa je. Tapi untuk Mak Saleh, benda ni betul-betul sentuh hati. Sebabnya mudah. Di negara mereka, layanan macam ni hampir tak wujud. Di barat, hidup semua orang laju. Masing-masing kejar hal sendiri. Nak senyum pada orang tak kenal pun kadang dianggap pelik. Tegur sikit boleh disalah faham. Tapi di Malaysia, keadaannya berbeza. Satu kisah benar-benar menyentuh hati berlaku ketika seorang Mak Saleh sedang mengembara di Muar Johor. Suatu petang, dia berhenti di sebuah stesen minyak. Perut lapar, badan penat dan kawasan itu agak sunyi. Dia bertanya kepada seorang perempuan tempatan di situ, ada tak kedai makan berdekatan? Jawapannya ringkas, tiada. Mak Saleh itu hanya tersenyum dan mengucapkan terima kasih. Beberapa minit kemudian, sesuatu yang langsung tak dijangka berlaku.
Currently resting at a gas station in Muar, and a woman passed by and I asked her like, hey, could you recommend me any place to have some lunch? And she was like, actually not here. And then I stayed here, she left, and then like 10 minutes later she came back and brought me some rice. Such a great moment.
Dia langsung tak sangka wanita tu hulurkan makanan untuk dia. Dia tak pernah minta apa-apa pun. Mereka orang asing, langsung tak kenal. Tapi kebaikan tu diberi dengan penuh ikhlas. Mata dia mula berkaca-kaca. Bukan sebab lapar, tapi sebab terharu. Dalam hidup dia di negara barat, hampir tak ada orang sanggup buat benda macam ni untuk orang yang tak dikenali. Perkara kecil inilah yang buat ramai orang barat rasa Malaysia macam syurga. Malaysia mungkin bukan negara paling kaya atau paling canggih di dunia, tapi nilai kemanusiaan inilah yang buat Malaysia susah ditandingi oleh mana-mana negara.